the mystery of the egg cream. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery of a popular American drink called the egg cream. Despite its name, this beverage might surprise you with what's inside. Let's dive in. The egg cream is a classic drink with roots in New York City. It dates back to the late 19th and early 20th centuries, and while its origin is a bit cloudy, many believe it was a creation of Brooklyn soda fountains. This drink became a favorite among New Yorkers and has retained its nostalgic charm for decades. Now, here's the surprising part. Despite its name, an egg cream typically contains no eggs and no cream. Instead, the main ingredients are 1. Milk, 2. Carbonated water, seltzer, 3. Chocolate syrup. When combined, these ingredients create a frothy, sweet, and refreshing drink. The name, egg cream, has puzzled many over the years. Why call it an egg cream when there are no eggs or cream? There are a few theories. 1. The original recipe might have once included eggs and cream, which were later removed to simplify and reduce the cost. 2. The name could be a corruption of the German phrase, echt Creme, meaning, real sweet. 3. It might refer to the frothy head that looks similar to beaten egg whites. Whatever the reason, the name stuck and has become a signature part of this delightful drink's lore. The egg cream is more than just a drink. It's a piece of American history, a testament to the melting pot that is New York City, and a delightful treat that continues to baffle and surprise. We hope you've enjoyed learning about this unique beverage. And maybe, just maybe, you'll try making one for yourself. Cheers to continued learning and delicious discoveries.